National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Lawrence County in upstate South Carolina, southeastern Greenwood County in upstate South Carolina, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southeast of Greenwood, or near 96 Historic Site, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include 96, Lake Greenwood State Park, Lake Greenwood, Greenwood State Park, 96 Historic Site, Kirksey, Dyson, Callison, and Porth. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page, or post it to X using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina: Greenwood and Lawrence.